Kayo'y nakikinig sa Target on Air. Target on Air.
Di ba't kanina tinalakay po natin mga kaibigan yung top performing municipal mayor province of Cebu. Kumbaga ito po yung survey po ng job performance. Dyan sa Cebu province ay yung mga nakakuha po ng magandang rating ay yung boses ng bayan. At sa bayan po ng Daan Bantayan, Cebu, si Mayor nakakuha po ng pinakamataas na rating na 87.5%. Ibig sabihin ay napakaganda. Ano pinakikitang performance? Ano mga mayor dyan po sa province po ng Cebu, dyan sa Tuburan, dyan sa bayan po ng Cordoba. Si Mayor Cesar Suwan at dyan sa bayan po ng Tuburan. Ito, sakto sa ating pagkakataon. Nako, ating makakausap si Mayor San ng Shimura, si Mayor Shimura ng bayan ng Daang Bantayan, Cebu. At magandang umaga po, Mayor.
Yes, magandang umaga po, Ka-Rex, tsaka yung mga suking natin dyan, yung mga listeners natin.
At
on air. Thank you very much for having me.
Doon po sa kabubukas lang ng Hipilan sa radyo, nasa linya po namin si Mayor San ng Shimura sa bayan po ng Daang Bantayan, Cebu. Mayor, kamusta po ang inyong municipality ngayon?
Salamat po, Ka-Rex. No? So far, okay naman tayo. We are located po in the northernmost tip of Cebu. Nasa dulo po tayo. We're actually facing Manila already, yung the island of Luzon. No?
Mm-hmm.
We are so direkta, meron din tayong Roro Port din po dito, direkta to Matnog tsaka Batangas. So we are, as I've said, we are in the northernmost tip of Cebu.
Apa.
So we are around 3 hours away from the city of Cebu po. Correct. So okay naman po yung natin, yung bayan po natin. Correct.
Apo, at number 1 yata din na rayo kapag sektor po ng turismo ang inyong municipality, Mayor.
Opo. Correct. Yung natin, yung Malapascua Island natin ng Daan Bantayan, it is a small island, a mini Boracay, ika nga, no? Ito yung dinadayo natin. The last time, you have a lot of local visitors, especially from the diving sectors, not just locally and internationally, because of our treasure sharks. Yung mga pating natin dito, yung mga tinatawag natin treasure sharks. And now, we have this new area na meron ding lumalabas. There are sightings of the tiger sharks, no? So, we are only, aside from Tubataha, this is the only areas where you can see yung mga sharks in a daily basis, no? This is every day that you can see these sharks dito po sa bayan natin in Daan Bantayan, in Malapascua Island. So, more our local income is 70% of it is tourism po. Correct.
At kumbaga talagang dinarayo yung Daang Bantayan, Cebu, lalo na kapag yung summer. Siguro nito nakalipas po na summer, talagang halos dagsain ng inyong municipality at yung mga sektor po ng tourism, lalo na po doon sa mga yung mga local and foreign tourists po, Mayor.
Opo. Correct. Actually, sa last year po na census from the Department of Tourism, Malapascua Island, Daan Bantayan is the number 1 diving destination in the entire country. In the entire country of the Philippines, we are the number 1 diving destination. And in the entire island of Cebu po, tayo po ay second in tourism in Cebu. We are second in tourism na arrivals, next to Santa Fe. We are even ahead of Mactan, Cebu po.
Kamusta po, Mayor, ang tulong po ng national government? Kumbaga, binababa po dyan sa inyong municipality, kagaya po dun sa AX ng DSWD, Mayor.
Yes, actually po, Carex, yung mga AX natin, TUPA, tsaka yung AKAP, yeah, we have been receiving it for from the Office of the Presidential Assistant for the Visayas.
Apa.
Sometimes we cannot just hindi lang talaga we cannot just take it away na may coming elections. Medyo may problema kami with our Kong dito, with some of our mayors. So yung AX namin is coming from OPAV and from the national directly to Daan Bantayan na. So
Apa.
marami din yung DOT po, din yung DOT din CAREX, Department of Tourism, meron ongoing din tayo dito na recompression chamber, which is a 40 million na chamber. This is for the divers who are experiencing a decompression sickness. Ito yung tinatawag nila na bends, no? Yung nabe-bends na mga divers. So, yung madidisgrasya with the diving, dito pinapasok. So, we have already identified the areas, and I heard from the DOT through TIEZA that they're going to be delivering this machine on next early next year.
Apo, at namamonitor ko sa mga social media ang Ako Bisaya Party List, kumbaga to the rescue sa inyong municipality, Mayor.
Yes, of course, Carex, no? Yun nga, yung mga tupad AX is coming from OPAV and tsaka yung Ako Bisaya.
Apa.
Sila din yung namimigay sa amin since we are no longer aligned with our representative sa congressman. So kaming mga mayors dito, 9 mayors kasi 9 towns kasi yung 4th district, Carex.
Apa.
Including the city of Bugo, which is the biggest may biggest population. Tapos next yung Daan Bantayan, yung bayan ko. So we are roughly population-wise we are mas marami kami sa Bugo, 100,000 yung population ko. Bugo has only 90. But voting population-wise, may 60,000 yung Bugo. We have 59. So kami yung medyo pinakamalaking mga voting chunk ng distrito aside from the other 7 towns.
Apa.
So it's Ako Bisaya who is now giving us this national na mga assistance from, of course, Congressman Sani Lagon.
At Mayor, panghuling bahagi na lang, ano yung naging category, ano naging, kumbaga, ano sekreto ng inyong municipality dyan sa Daan Bantayan, Cebu, at nakakuha kayo ng mataas na rating na 87.5% dun sa boses ng bayan, Mayor?
Thank you, Carex. So, alam mo, when I start as mayor way back 2019, we although we have the majority barangay captains, we have 16 out of the 20 barangay captains. But being the new leader, gusto ko talaga, we need to unify the whole town for us to achieve greater progress, more progress sa bayan natin. So,
Apa.
right now, we have the 20 barangays with us, supporting us, united yung 20 barangays natin. And then, yung SB natin, isa lang yung opposition. And then, I always do collaborative efforts with our barangay, our department heads, yung mga trabahante ng munisipyo, yung sanggunian natin. There is always my consultative meeting with what project to prioritize and what project to do first with the vice mayor and the councilors. And hindi lang yan, Carex, no? It's the being number one sa survey po, being top performing executives is just an icing on the cake. But
Apa.
you know what, nung last year and then this year we had the result. We are also an awardee of the Seal of Good Local Governance. Ito yung the awards of all awards, no? This is the best award that an LGU can get in the national government, in the DILG, na mga 17 na required na we have to do aside from the transparency and how we spend the people's money and yung mga services natin from social to health services.
Apa.
So ito yung mga malalaking awards, Carex, and yung being a top mayor with RP mission, it's for me the icing on the cake. So we did this because of our collaborative efforts yung tulong ng mga tao, and most especially yung mga tao natin na sumusuporta, that I always, ito yung number ko, tsaka yung Facebook Messenger ko, it's always open to the public. I hold it personally. I never have a secretary or any staff to hold it. So every person that texts me through my Facebook page, direkta yan sa akin, correct? So this is one thing I am proud of, because direkta yung tao sa atin, and that's why siguro we got this number 1 approval rating sa mga tao natin during that survey.
Tapo, ang kagandahan niyan, kumbaga direkta nakakausap po kayo. Kaya siguro dun sa naapektuhan po ng hanging habagat diyan po sa barangay Carnasa, to the rescue, nandun agad yung tulong, Mayor. Nakakausap agad kayo in pronto. Yun ang kagandahan sa isang public official.
Opo, correct. You know what? During that yung may mga low pressure, tsaka yung typhoon na bago lang nag-hit sa amin dito, although it's not that strong, pero the problem with the Carnasa kasi it's a 2-hour na pump boat na ride, no? You have to ride a mechanized boat for 2 hours, so it's an open water na, malapit na yan sa Masbate. So what we did when we heard from the barangay officials na wala nang pagkain yung isla because they can no longer go to the mainland and buy their essentials, yung foods nila, yung pagkain nila. So what we did, we contacted directly to the SWD Regional Office 7, requested for food packs. Tapos we contacted also yung Office of the Civil Defense, because yung balak ko nga sana is the Philippine Coast Guard, kasi itatawid natin through a big boat. Yun nga, medyo masama talaga yung panahon tsaka yung dagat. Good thing that the Office of Civil Defense, it's the first time na nakakita yung mga tao ko ng Black Hawk, no? They use the Black Hawk, 2 Black Hawk na nagamit ng Air Force. We are very grateful to the National Government. Iba talaga yung administrasyon ngayon, Carex, no? And for me, we are very grateful to of course to the leadership of no less than our idol in public service, si President Bongbong Marcos po, tsaka yung mga heads po ng mga top officials po ng Air Force, tsaka yung Office of Civil Defense, kay Regional Director, at tsaka po sa DSWG Region 7. When we requested, agad-agad po, with less than a week, we have already delivered the food boxes to our people in that island, which comprises of around 800.
Mayor, ang bilis po ng asiste. At nako, Mayor, kami matagal na po nag-iikot dyan sa Cebu Province, pero minsan di pa ako nagagawi dyan sa bayan po ng Daang Bantayan, Cebu, Mayor.
Sir, you should visit us. Tourism destination po yung Daang Bantayan. We have dalawang 5-star resort dito, yung nasa mainland ko, yung Candaya, tsaka yung Golden Sands. These are 5-star destination resorts. And then dun sa isla natin sa Malapascua, we have at least mga 47 na mga resorts and dive resorts on the island. And ngayon, we have not just, yung iba kasi cannot go scuba diving kasi natatakot. Yung iba, they cannot afford it. So we have created a snorkeling area, which you can already see also yung mga black-tip sharks at around 2 meters depth, no? Yung depth niya is only 2 meters. You can see already the black-tip sharks po.
At pag ako'y nagawin ng Cebu, tawagan ko kayo, Mayor.
Sure, Carex. Anytime.
At nako, salamat po sa oras sa pagkakataon, Mayor saan ng Shimura ng Bayan ng Daan Bantayan, Cebu. Mayor, ingat po palagi.
Salamat po, Boss Carex. Thank you.
Pakinggan ang agenda ng inyong mayor para sa inyong lugar. Ang mga hakbang na ginagawa nila upang bigyang solusyon ang mga hinaing at problema ng inyong komunidad. At alamin ang mga good news na hatid nila sa taong bayan. Mayor's Hour sa Target on Air.
Yan po ang tinig, mga kaibigan, ni Mayor San Shimura sa bayan po ng Daan Bantayan, Cebu. Nako, to the rescue talaga ang tanggapan po ng DSWD. Mantakin nyo yung isang barangay dyan sa barangay Carnasa. Yan po naapektuhan ng hangin habagat. Kumbaga ang tanggapan po ng DSWD, ang Office of Civil Defense, abay na andon. Ang kagandahan po niyan, abay kaya po kami nagkaroon po ng pagkakataon, makausap po si Mayor. Aba kasama po siya doon po sa Boses ng Bayan, yung top performing municipal mayor province of Cebu. Aba 87.5% ang bayan ng Daan Bantayan, Cebu ha. At pag nagawi nga tayo sa Cebu province, abay pupuntahan po natin ay yung lugar mismo ni Mayor. May mga nakatago palang sektor ng turismo na dapat pong malaman po yan. Para yung mga local and foreign tourists, abay dagsain, kumbagay bisitahin pa ha. Ang aming cellphone number 0927-861-1921. Yung mga report, mamaya po natin babalikan ha.
Kayo'y nakikinig sa Target On Air. Target On Air.